Hello everybody, today we're going to guide you step by step through the process of replacing the oil filter on your E46 generation BMW 3 Series. That's any 3 Series made from 1997 to 2006. Our video will contain detailed instructions, however please feel free to ask any questions in the comments below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. So, the oil filter replacement is overall quite a simple and non-complex job to do to your car, and can function as a solid entry point into self-servicing for those who are new to performing their own maintenance at home. First, we need to gain access to the engine bay. This can be done by using the bonnet release found in either the driver's side or passenger's side footwell. Note that if your bonnet release is not working correctly, you will need to address this before continuing this job. Alright, now we need to locate the oil filter cap, which can be found here. You will need a 36mm socket. This bolt is often quite tight, so it may need some trying to get loose. If you are finding this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing, as it helps get our videos out to more people. Once you have removed the oil filter cap, you will now need to remove the old oil filter from its holder. Do this by pulling it with medium force until loose. Now onto fitting the new oil filter. Start by removing the old seal from the bottom of the filter holder and replacing it with the new one which came with your new filter. Next, continue by inserting your new oil filter onto the holder until it clicks into place. Note that the filter can go on either way, and there is no right or wrong here. Finally, insert the new filter with the cap back into its original compartment and tighten it using your 36mm socket. There is no break-in period as such for a new oil filter, however we do still recommend letting your engine run and idle for around 5 to 10 minutes before driving for the first time. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy